3, 2, 1. Welcome to Dhikr for All channel. If you want to this types of updates, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.
What are CRUD operations in SQL? Let's see. CRUD stand for create, read, update and delete. These are the four basics functions of persistent storage. And it can also describe user interface conventions that allow viewing, searching, and modifying information through the computer based form and reports.
Thanks for watching. If you want to this types of updates, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.